This is my beloved Neato Botvac D5, and it is time to replace the filter. When I looked on Amazon for replacement filters, I was a little dismayed at how expensive the Neato filters were. However, I was also presented with a variety of options from some third parties. I gave some of these a try, and this is the best performing set that I've found so far. It comes in a pack of 8, and this package of 8 costs the same as 2 OEM Neato filters. And from what I've experienced over using them for the past year is that they perform exactly the same. They come individually packaged in this rather inconspicuous box. They come with a cleaning brush that I have never used in my life. And overall, they present very good value for money. So let's compare these two filters. Right here, I have the original Neato filter that came with my vacuum. It is all gummed up and dirty and ready to be replaced. Here, I have the third-party filter that is dropping stuff all over my lovely table. You can see that they are identical in almost every way, except for the size of the mesh, which I will show a close-up of now. Again, here is the OEM Neato filter. And here is the third-party filter. There is a slight difference in the mesh size. However, again, over the last year, I have seen absolutely zero performance differences between these two filters. They still pick up the same amount of fine particles, and my very sensitive allergies have not spiked since using the new filters. On the back, the connection methods are exactly the same, and I will demonstrate that for you now. Reason being is that on Amazon, I've seen some reviewers stating that these third-party filters are a little difficult to connect to your OEM vacuum. I've had no such experience. This is a brand new third-party filter. It is a little easier to see the slightly larger mesh size when it is clean. Some reviewers have complained that it is difficult to fasten to the original dustbin, and I will demonstrate that for you now. With a very light push, it locks in the exact same as the OEM dustbin. Reinstalling, and your vacuum is ready to run for a few more weeks. So I'm not sure exactly what these reviewers were referring to, or if the product has simply improved itself based on these reviews. However, I have had no such problems fitting these filters into my Neato vacuum. So I hope that this video has been helpful for you guys. I hope that it will save you some money. Again, I will link this pack of 8 down in the description below, and it will keep your vacuum running for many more years to come. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.